Hello friends, welcome to the next installment of my gardening from home video. It's the first week of April. We're in zone 4. I started these seedlings about 3 weeks ago. Just look at my previous videos if you have any questions about starting seedlings. So here we are. We have tomato plants and zinnias and things that we planted that we had success with, and then we have some things we did not have so much success with. So been gardening for about 30 years. Pepper plants, pepper seeds. Look, teeny weeny, tiny. Look at these lovely large tomato plants. I planted them at the same exact time. So food for thought, I should take my own advice, plant pepper seedlings earlier. Just saying, okay. Anyway, so I just wanted to share a couple things with you. I'm going to be watering my little flats here, and I'm also going to thin some of my plantings, specifically tomato plants. We end up wanting one superb tomato plant seedling per cell. And if you look back at my previous videos, you'll see I put a couple of seeds in each cell, which means more than one will germinate. So I'm just going to show you that I'm going to water, and when I water from the bottom, and the only way that you can tell that they need to be watered is if they're really, really dry on the top. You don't want them to start to wilt because then they're under stress, but I'm going to put that's about a half a cup in here in the bottom so that they water from the bottom and draw the roots down. And if you look at the roots. Those are going to make very, very healthy, very comfortable tomato plants in the ground. So anyway, here we go. What I'm going to show you now is how we thin seedlings. So, as I mentioned earlier, when I started the video, I planted 2 seeds per cell. And so what we're going to do is we're actually going to snip a seedling that maybe is a smaller one in the cell. We really are looking for the strongest seedling per cell and just snip it. It doesn't feel too good, but anyway, so this is what we do. We don't want to disturb the roots, which is why we just cut them from the top. So that's how you do that. The last thing I'm going to tell you about is, so today, the first week of April, I'm going to plant beets. I'm going to start some bee balm, some basil, and some radishes in my little seedling trays here. And my next video, I'm going to start to show you how to transplant the smaller cells into larger vessels, like my zinnias, which are very, very happy, but they will need to be transplanted into a larger vessel. Anyway, so thank you for watching my video. This is all easy home stuff. Please like, subscribe. Come on, come with me.